Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Makeup Abukola and I'm back with another video. So today's video is an exciting one and it's going to be about the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop primer and foundation. So as you guys know, I'm pretty sure many of you guys know, NYX came out with this matte foundation and primer on Friday, but it was only available online on Friday, and now it's available in store at Ulta. And yeah, so I was able to get my hands on this. I ordered it online, but it's not supposed to get here till later on. So I went to the store and I picked this up, and I think I got a pretty good match because I was able to swatch it on my chest before buying it. And usually I like swatching on my chest rather than my face because my face is a little darker than my body. So yeah, I ordered mocha and sienna. Maybe I ordered two online, but since I tried this in the store, those are probably not going to match me. But this is deep cool, and I also swatched cocoa and it was a pretty good match too. So I was pretty surprised there were two shades that matches me really well. I'm most likely gonna get that too based on how this comes out. Like, I'm so excited. If you're not subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe and join the family. And if at any time you're watching this video and you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. But with that being said, we're going to move on to this primer. So this primer claims that it's a very matte primer. Hopefully this is gonna be the primer for me. Even with the Becca primer, still makes me oily after like 2 hours or so. Okay, why am I struggling to get this up? Alright, so this is what the primer looks like. It's a pretty good size. Let's just see the consistency. Oh, okay. Seems very thick. I'm just gonna use that much, very little, because I don't want to, get myself into something that I can't do. And it says to apply evenly into the skin and tap. I'm just going to put it where I get oily a lot, which, like I mentioned, is my T-zone. This feels cold. Not like, oh, it's cold, but it feels cold a little bit. There are some primers that are very oily, like when you put it on your face, it looks like moisturizer. This definitely is not one of them. So yeah, we're going to go into the foundation. Well, I'm going to use the foundation now. And like I said, the color that my shade is Deep Cool. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. And I love a good foundation that has a pump. I'm gonna take that a little bit just to show you guys. So that's what it looks like on my chest. Seems like a pretty good match, right? And this is what it looks like on my face. So my skin has been acting up lately. You guys can see it. And I'm going to go in with one pump. Let's try one first, okay? And if one is not enough, then I'm going to add more. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetic flat brush. And I'm just going to go in over the primer first. Doesn't smell bad at all. Actually, maybe I should see how it looks with a beauty blender. Well, a sponge. foundation definitely dries quickly. You don't have a lot of time to move it around. Ooh, I look flawless. Wow. Okay, next. I think this is a pretty good coverage. Like, I really like this foundation, the way it's looking. The way it's looking right now. I really like the way it's looking right now. And I'm just going to take a little bit more. I think that's that little, and I'm going to use that on my neck. You want to blend your face to your neck, ladies. Yeah, so this is what the foundation looked like. I'm going to do my concealer and just go very fast because so this is the final look. I've been wearing the foundation for about an hour right now, an hour and a half, and I like how this is looking. It looks flawless on camera and it looks flawless in the mirror. So I'll definitely be wearing this out to see how long it holds up. So I'm definitely looking forward to it. I don't know, I really like the way it's looking, and it is a perfect match. Look at the one I swatched on my chest. It went into my skin. Well, you can see it, but it blends really nicely, and I really like that. So this is definitely gonna be one of my favorite foundation now. Well, don't let me say favorite yet because I didn't wear it out like that. But yeah, this is definitely gonna be in my makeup kits, and definitely for the primer, I don't feel as dry. If you guys try this foundation, let me know what you guys think down in the comment below. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and beautiful. Bye.